Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to record transactions NetSuite. Recording a transaction in NetSuite depends on the type of transaction you're entering. Example, invoice, bill, journal entry, sales order, etc. Here's a general guide to recording a basic financial transaction, like a journal entry. And then, examples of how to record common types of transactions. To record a journal entry, navigate to Transactions, Financial, Make Journal Entries. Fill out the journal entry form. Set the date of the transaction. Memo is optional for internal reference. Add account lines for each debit and credit. Choose the appropriate account from the drop-down. Enter debit or credit amounts. Add department, class, or location if applicable. Balance check. Make sure total debits equal total credits. Save the entry. This is a sample journal entry with all required details filled in. Below are some common types of transactions. Let's start with the sales invoice. Navigate to Transactions, Sales, Create Invoices. Select Customer. Add items /services. Enter quantities and rates. Set terms, location, etc. Save. This is a sample invoice with all required details filled in. Next is the vendor bill. To record a vendor bill, navigate to Transactions, Payables, enter Bills. Select Vendor. Enter expense items or items purchased. Add bill details such as date, terms, account. Save. Here is a sample vendor bill with all details entered. Let's now move on to cash sale. These are instant customer payment transactions. Navigate to Transactions, Sales, enter Cash Sales. Enter Customer, Items, Payment Method. Save. Here is a sample cash sales for your reference. Next is the purchase order. To create one, go to Transactions, Purchases. Enter purchase orders. Select vendor, items, and expected delivery details. Save. Here's a sample purchase order with all necessary details. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more NetSuite tips and insights. See you in the next one.